So here is an update on the conversion I'm trying to do. I had to change out the shock springs and go with a different weight oil because it would bottom out if you dropped it with the weight of the 21. So I found these springs. So I have VR Racing, which are heavier rating, and I went with I went with 45 weight oil, which seems like it makes a damper a lot better. And then put a different head on there. I had this, my friend machined this head to fit my Savage 21. On the previous video, I had to space the shock tower a 1/4 inch back to get, this is a setup I came with the pipe. So we'll see how it works. I think it'll be fine. It's pretty stout. I mean, I can pick up the truck. It doesn't move or hit back here. I have plenty of room back there. Got the radio servo, the servos in. I'm waiting on the radio that I can use on all my trucks. I just got done building this out of parts I had left over from all my Savages, and then I upgraded and built this one. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Hopefully have this running by spring. But so far it looks like it should work. All the spur gear and all that stuff lines up really good. So yeah, just give a heads up of what the progress is so far. Can't wait. I don't know if the stock spur gear and clutch and flywheel are going to work, but we'll see what happens. So we'll keep you posted once I get back to it. So we'll talk to you guys later on. Bye.